Hi, and welcome back to D Papa's Living a Flip Flop Life. Back in October 18th, 2025, there was an offer that got released called Ohanashi Gen AI. And this is basically a storybook creator for children that you can put on KDP and generate, different types of royalties, etc. From you creating books. Like I've been teaching you as well, and all that good stuff. So basically, I'm just showing you some, that I'm still making money from here. And also trying to help you understand that Ohanashi Gen AI is now back with new features that you are going to be using if you already purchased this back in October of 2025. These features are already unlocked inside your account. Okay, so in a few minutes I'm going to show you how we're going to be creating a book. But the powerful thing about Ohanashi Gen AI is the fact that you can create books without actually paying any AI tools. So it's all built in and it's all part of your front end. So if you haven't picked it up, pick it up now because it does go monthly, or he does raise the price. Actually, the price did go up to 97, but now because this is a relaunch back on the JVZoo platform, he's bringing it down to 27. You're getting it for 27. I'm telling you again, the version that is on Warrior Plus went to 97. He brought it down just for this launch. It's going to go back up in a few days. Okay. At the same thing, last year, I also took away my bonuses, which you're going to be getting again. Well, if you haven't picked it up, now you get the chance to pick up my bonuses. So if you click my links below, you're going to come and see these are all really good bonuses. You won't find them anywhere else. You can check around and everything. And this was last year, on the front end was at 47. Well, this year he's relaunching this at 27. Okay. The people that have purchased the previous version, you get everything unlocked. So there's no complaints there. Okay. So once you go inside your account, you're going to be able to see everything. Now, the good thing about the Ohanashi AI Gen is the fact that you can create characters and characters that you can use them for other books and create series. The whole point of this book creator is the fact that you don't need some kind of to pay any AI tools. It's all built in here, and basically you come in, and I'm going to show you how you just create it. It's very cool, very easy, and I mean it's really cool. Okay, so you come in and you click on, and I don't have to go into my settings and add something, API keys, nothing. This is just coming in and saying, okay, this is for my 3-year-old son. Okay, English, but you could choose Spanish, French, German, Italian. So you have different country languages you can be using. Okay, plot outline, give me an idea. Let's just find an idea. It's already So get a story. Mm, let's see. Thalis's 2-year-old birthday. Okay, my son just had his birthday, so I'll use that. Okay, let's use this idea. It gave me a quick idea. A small cake is lost, so friends look in the red box to find whatever fun. Crazy. Book title. Let's just click on that, and then add a short. Okay, so this is about Thalis's birthday. Okay, so let's use this. It's taking the information from the give me an idea, the plot outline, and now it's creating the book title. Now we're going to go to the author name. I'm going to put my name. This is who I am anyways. I haven't changed it in general. All right, and I'm going to come down, and what's the style of the book? So we have different types of art styles for the books that you're going to be creating. You're going to be creating watercolor painting, digital painting, cartoon anime, kawaii, realistic storybook, pencil sketch drawing, vintage children's book, modern, minimalist, fancy concept art, classic animation, cell, manga, chibi, cut paper collage, whimsical illustration, ink wash, pen and ink, cross hatching, gouache, painterly, flat vector, geometric. Now, in order to go through all these, that would be crazy. But let me just go with cartoon and get it over with. And then I'm gonna go ahead and say adventure. Let's do exciting with fast paced with lots of action, dialogue, and character interactions. Okay, how about that? Okay, that's good. It gives you also focus on dynamic scenes, etc. Okay. Thalis, Mario, Aristide, Artemis, Mom, and Dad. Okay, so I'm auto regenerate all characters and descriptions based on these. Yep. So it's generating an image for Thalis right now. So it's going through the process. It's generating description for Mario, for all his friends. For example, these are the friends and mom and dad. That's me and mom. Maybe we'll see if it actually adds us as mom and dad. Hey, I messed up in terms of the character style. I remember I chose cartoon, so it comes out with a cartoon style characters. Okay, mom, dad. Okay, cool. Let's just go with this. That's fine. So I'm gonna do automatic on the word count. Let me put auto on the preferred page count as well. And let me go picture for every character. I'm gonna use all the tools that they're allowing me. Don't allow additional characters into the story. Let's auto-generate the book cover, include title on the cover, include author, and then we have the type of book that we can create. I'm gonna do the 6:9, which is more of a Kindle for me. Let's see what we create. All right. And that's how simple it is. I mean, it's seriously really powerful because of the character creation thing that you can take these characters and actually use them in other books for series if you wanted to. But you can actually go into the characters and build them up. But each of these characters are going to be used in the storyline that it's going to be creating from AI. Okay, this is why this is so cool. All right, and it's so different than the usual because once again, you won't need to pay for AI. This is focusing on just specific story book, children books stories. Okay, it's not like creating fictional scientific books, cookbooks or whatever. But this is why we've got other tools that does that, like for example Royalty Profits AI that creates any book that you want. But this is more of those little books that you would read to your 2-year-old, 3-year-old, 5-year-old, whatever year old that you have if you're a mom and dad. If not, then this is what children read. Okay, simple 2-3 text words on each page and a big image or images, etc. But we'll see what kind of setup we have here, what kind of book we created, and I'll come back. All right, so the book is done, and here it is. Okay, Thalis and the Birthday Red Box. I mean, that's pretty cool for a cover. And then we are coming down, and this is the book that with the images and everything. It's pretty cool. The actual design of the images is in 3D. Okay, very cool. Okay, so these are the little pages and the content that's going to be. All right. And then you can change things if you don't like things. You can change and save and fix and edit. Okay, and if you like everything, then you're going to take this book and you're going to put it on Amazon KDP. You're going to export it, okay, as a PDF or Word or PowerPoint, etc. You can fix it up perfectly and everything. And if you don't know how to do that, all right, you can basically, well, when you purchase this from my links, you get access to KDP AI Crack, where I actually show you how to publish everything on your KDP account so you can start generating money with Amazon KDP. And my method is through Kindle, but the KDP AI Cracked also covers paperback, etc. Okay, and these books you can create as many as you want and sell them and start making a new income online. So this is what Ohanashi AI Gen is doing now. You can play around and you can see the design of the images were really good because of the Flux Pro that he added, and the story is probably, it's quality because of the other Google Gemini Pro Story options that he added as well, and all the stuff that you're getting in. So from here, just know that you also have a how-to guide where there's a masterclass where he takes you through the process of selling and adding all the stuff that you need. Okay, so you get a lot more from Ike, somebody that I trust and I support, and you are getting all the details on how to upload on KDP as well from here, how to make money from this, how to sell your books. He's going to cover everything in this masterclass, which he's been doing for many years. He's the reason why I started creating books on Amazon. And he's the reason why I went out and created Royalty Profits AI as well to help me with my journey, because I did something a little bit different. And you'll find out everything on my KDP AI Cracked offer that you're going to get access to with this specific offer right here. Okay, so this is Ohanashi Gen. AI is back on JVZoo. It's at 27. The people that purchased the previous versions, it's unlocked for you, and you also get my bonuses that are delivered instantly once you get inside through my links. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you inside Ohanashi Gen AI.